the best life hacks for things you do wrong every day. If you're anything like the rest of us, chances are that you enjoy simple life hacks, do-it-yourself projects, and useful things that make your life easier every day. Cutting corners is like a talent that everyone can appreciate, from lazy people to productive people. Before we begin this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on all of the best life hacks, tips, and tricks from your #1 bestie. Now, keep watching for ways of improving your life that might just prove that there are things you do wrong every day. If you're a do-it-yourself kind of person and love simple life hacks that make life easier, you will love this video. Number 14, spaghetti. Never forgetty that spaghetti is the best. Honestly, there are so many different things you can do with pasta besides eat it. One of our favorite ideas of how you can utilize pasta in a different way is to use it to light difficult to light candles with the wick way down in the bottom of the glass. This will save you from burning your fingers and allow for safer lighting in general if you don't have a long lighter. Believe it or not, dry pasta also makes for a fantastic kindling if you're ever in need of some when you're starting a bonfire. Number 13, Tic Tac lids. Tic Tacs are one of the best breath mints around. Their delightful, pill-like shape gives you the feeling of flavor convenience, while the tiny box slips perfectly into almost any size pocket. You don't mind the jiggle sound it makes when you walk because Tic Tacs are amazing. Did you know that Tic Tac lids are also a perfect way to get those little suckers out of the container one at a time? It's a great hack for anyone who doesn't like sharing with friends, so you can avoid accidentally spilling out your entire container. Do you know how you can pack for a vacation efficiently so that you maximize space and have room for your things? Keep watching until the end to find out. Number 12, pop can tabs. Pop can tabs have a bunch of different uses. The aluminum metal can actually be recycled for a lot of charitable causes, as the metal can be used for recycling purposes. When taking a sip of your favorite carbonated beverage, have you ever had an intense problem with your straw slipping out of the can because of the carbonated gas? Well, not anymore. Simply twist around the tab, stick your straw in the opening, and push the tab till the straw is secure. Number 11, extension cord hacks. Here's an extension cord DIY and life tip. Have you ever gone to a musical venue or a special occasion where someone has haphazardly strewn the electrical cords across the floor? Although floor tape used widely by musicians and filmmakers is an excellent idea, if you don't have access to it at the moment, you can always take both ends of the cord and loop them so that the plugs don't keep coming undone every time someone treads over and pulls it too far. What do you think of the useful things, tips, and tricks in this video so far? Well, keep watching as we continue to count down the top DIYs, simple life hacks, and things you do wrong every day. Number 10, grocery cart loops. Those loops on grocery carts actually have another hidden use you wouldn't ever have thought about. After packing up your grocery, use the loops to hang lighter groceries like bread and chips above the heavier bags that rest on the bottom of the cart. That way everything stays neat and organized and you don't have to worry about the bread getting smushed. Number 9, eating your hamburger wrong. Everybody has been eating their hamburgers the wrong way for decades, and not a single person has taken a moment to address this terrible, heinous crime. How many times have you sunk your teeth into a hamburger only to have the contents spill out onto the plate or the tray below? That's because you aren't holding the other end properly. Grab the burger using your index and thumb at the front. Then, using your ring and pinky fingers, stabilize the end of the burger and hold the bun in place. It's as simple as that. Number 8, chill drinks faster. This is an incredible hack that's been missing from your life. How many times have you gotten home and wanted something cold to drink, but everything was lukewarm because your terrible, inconsiderate roommate forgot to put things in the fridge? Well, simply wrap a damp paper towel around the beverage and stick it in the freezer. After a few minutes, your drink should be ice cold. Just don't forget to take it out of the freezer, otherwise you'll have an incredible mess to clean up. Number 7, peel bananas the right way. If you're a banana lover, chances are you've been peeling them the wrong way your entire life. Well, not anymore. Monkeys in the wild are observed peeling bananas from the bottom of the fruit, not the stem. What's the benefit of this, you might wonder? Well, you actually get more of the fruit when you peel it this way, rather than the way most people do by snapping the stem. Plus, the stem acts as an added holder as you finish your fruit. Number 6, maximize your ketchup intake. Food tips and tricks are some of the best life hacks out there. Take ketchup and fast food, for example. Man, oh man, this life hack has changed our lives. How many fast food restaurants have you been to where you have to fill multiple ketchup containers to get enough of the stuff for your behemoth pile of French fries? Take these little packets and pull on the sides, releasing the perforations. You can actually make these little cups as flat as possible. The wider the cup, the more ketchup you can load into it. Yum! Number 5, cupcake madness. Okay. This one might seem crazy, but it's actually incredibly ingenious. The next time you're at a birthday party or a wedding and somebody offers you cupcakes, rather than try to stuff your face with the thing getting icing all over your mouth, simply rip the cupcake in half and stuff the bottom on the top of the icing. This will allow you to have a nice little cupcake sandwich that'll allow you to enjoy the entire thing without the hassle or the mess. Number 4, reheating food. You've been reheating food in your microwave wrong your entire life. Yes, believe us. Food needs to be cooked evenly, and in your microwave, if you pile everything on your plate in a big heap, the center of your food will not cook properly and it'll still be cold. Spreading your pasta or your food in a donut shape will allow every part to cook evenly, leaving you with a delicious, reheated leftover meal. Number 3, wooden spoon trick. This kitchen life hack is absolutely amazing. Whenever you're making pasta at home, how inconvenient is it when you're boiling your noodles and the foam from the starch spills over the edge, messing up your entire stovetop? Just put a wooden spoon over the edge and watch as it keeps those pesky foam bubbles at bay. Another great trick is to just not fill your pot up with so much water. Number 2, takeout containers. Here's another useful kitchen life hack that can bring the do-it-yourselfers out of you. And it's actually pretty simple. Did you know that takeout containers you receive from Chinese takeaway restaurants also double as plates? Save on having to clean your own dishes next time by carefully opening up the box to create your own little serving plate. The more you know. Huzzah! Now that you know all the things that you do wrong every day, here's an awesome life hack that can help you maximize the space in your suitcase when you're going on vacation. Number 1, rolling your clothes. Are you planning to go away on an extended trip somewhere fancy? Can't fit enough clothes in your suitcase? Here's the solution you've been waiting for. Rolling your clothes actually helps maximize space inside your suitcase, and it actually helps prevent the wrinkles during travel. Picture this. You're sitting at work wondering how you're going to get through the entire day. It's time for your lunch, but you forget a spoon for your yogurt. A million things go through your head as how you can get around this enormous tragedy. You aren't brave enough to try one of the dirty spoons in the staff room, so you put your thinking cap on to a potential way around the situation. Suddenly, it occurs to you that you can, in fact, use a foil lid as a makeshift spoon. You twirl and twist the foil so that it looks like a spoon shape, and you marvel at your own ingenuity in the face of certain yogurt doom. That's what this list is all about. DIYs, simple life hacks, and solutions to things you do wrong every day. Whether it be in the kitchen, car, home, or simple DIY project, this video has definitely got something for all of us. So, what do you think of the useful things in this video? What are some of the best life hacks and tips you use in your daily life that weren't in this video? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.